Hello everyone, Rituparna'z in this side. Here I am creating a look on her face. At first I am using a wet tissue for cleansing her face. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for learn step by step every makeup tutorial. Here I am presenting a bridal makeover look, so stay with me. And now I am applying a serum according her skin type. If you do same thing on your bride, then please gently massage with your fingertips. After that, I am using a light base moisturizer, that is PAC moisturizer. If you are not comfortable with your brush, then please applying your favorite moisturizer with your fingertips and get the same result. Watch this full video, and for you this video is okay, good, better or best or bad, you can share with me in a comment section. Do not forget to moisturizing your ear area or neck area also. Now I am using a good quality of primer, which is minimizing your pores. Want to learn step by step makeup? Then you have to press the subscribe button and watch all this video for build your skills. With help of my fingertips, I am using this primer also. And now look at her face. Now the most important part, that is setting spray for fix this all, that gives more natural finish. Now it's time to corrector. It will help you hiding your pigment or black spot or patches, everything you have on your face. Now using a concealer on your corrector. The most important thing again, that is blend and blend. Now I am using a foundation. I am using direct on her face. You can also warm it out and then blend it. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon for notification all of my videos. If you are not comfortable using a brush, then please you can use a beauty blender also. Blend it well, and then I am using a concealer for enhancing her features. If you have any issues for understanding this any kind of formula, then you can also contact me and also comment below. I am using a powder bronzer for shape her face. Now it's time to blush her. I am put it on her face, this peachy kind of shade, and help of this brush. If you have any problem understanding this formula and also put it on her face or your bride face, then please comment below. And also, do you want any kind of makeup tutorial? Then please comment below. And now this is time to eye base. I am using a concealer for eye base and applying on her eyelid. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. And also, if you want to learn step by step makeup tutorial, then also do it fast. Subscribe first and also press the bell icon. Here I am doing a black smoky eye, but something different. So watch this till the end. You have to learn smudging and blending. Now it's time to see the magic. This is look like some magic, like one kind of magic moment. Keep some patience and doing this eye look. And also doing the same thing for another eye. Hope you guys enjoying this video. Look at her eyelid and watch the changes. Is this magic or not? Comment below. now it's time to highlight her eye look and also brow bone. And now I am completed this eye look, and I am using right now a highlighter, that is Maybelline highlighter. And just look at her face and see her glow. Ignore my face, only focus her face. See that glow, her glowing face. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for get notification all of my videos. And now that is lipstick time. So look at her total look, full look. Look at her total and completed look.
তোমার কেমন লাগছে? পছন্দ হয়েছে?
She also satisfied with this look, and now look at her smile. That's told also everything. So if you like this video, then please do comment below and also give me a thumbs up. Also one more thing, that is don't forget to share this video. Love you all. See you again. Bye bye. Take care.